sensibility and practicality define the 2008 Hyundai Tiburon. This two-door, four-passenger coupe is still under 75,000 miles. Hyundai made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Hyundai are offered, including a tachometer, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, and remote keyless entry. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including front and side impact airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.